So today I'm with Austin, the beer guy. Remember him from Chattanooga? Yeah, he came all the way from Murfreesboro to Clarksville because he had a softball game with his kids. And when I mean kids, I mean team. It's been an experience, huh?
Yeah.
Look at that epic beer. Look at that. Whoa.
All of it.
Yeah. So now we are at Dunbar Cave State Park. He has never been here. So what we're gonna do is gonna go to the welcoming center real quick, and from there we're gonna walk towards the cave, and then one or two trails because we still have things to do. He has still games that you have to go to, and I have other things that I have to go to. So there was like the spare of the moment type of thing real quick. So I will, all his links and everything, I'll put them in the description below. Can you tell us everybody your site so they could go and check it out?
I run Middle TN Hikes, where I review hiking trails. Well, not really review, it's more of a walkthrough. Yeah. That way, you get up Saturday morning and you want to do a trail, you can watch it on my channel and decide, oh, that's too rocky, or hey, look, that's got a waterfall.
This man does it all. You got to check him out. So I'll do a little small time lapse from here to there, or maybe hyperlapse. I don't know yet. You'll see. And hope you enjoy it. Bye.
I hope it feels like that.
So right now Austin is like, he's prepping right now. He's prepping for his actual video where he's gonna go through the trails like one by one and explain his distance. What else you do?
How rough it is on your legs. Like if it's real rocky, you gotta step over some things, or if it's smooth. So far it's been paved. This would be recommended for people with strollers, or fresh out of knee surgery, or maybe if you need assistance like a cane or a walker. See, that's the kind of thing we do, and then we'll sort out the rest of the trails as they get rocky. We'll explain that too. Yeah.
So as you can see, for those who haven't seen the cave before, that's the entrance of the cave right over there. The acoustics here are amazing. Look at that, panning up, panning up, panning up. Wow, to the side, back down. Look at that. And to go to the cave itself, you have to go online to Dunbar Cave State Park website and do the little appointments and everything, and you'll be able to go in there. You cannot do no flash photography, and they guide you step by step from all the way from the welcoming center, which is way over there, to all the way in there. And I hope you're not claustrophobic because it's dark as hell, and there are bats and guano. If you don't know what guano is, look up Ace Ventura Pet Detective. I believe the second part, right? Ace Ventura for guano. Yes, if part 2, and you'll know exactly what guano is. All right. So peeps, we did the short loop hike, and it was, for me, it was hard. But anyway, he loved it. He did. We not only got to experience the walk, but we saw a deer, mama deer, and its 2 babies. So that was amazing. It was like from here maybe what, 5 feet, 6 feet?
At times, yeah.
5 to 6 feet, so it was not that bad. Also, if you do come to the Dunbar Cave, please leave no trash around, pick it up. If you see trash, just pick it up, put it in your pocket, and there's trash cans around, just dump it there, okay? Let's keep our parks clean, all right? Let's do something extra for our kids so they could come out here and enjoy this place because it's beautiful. You'll be surrounded by nature, you'll be surrounded by amazing things, okay? So, once again, his information will be in the comments below. Click on it, you'll enjoy his Facebook page. You'll also enjoy his YouTube page, Facebook, right?
Yeah, I got a Facebook page.
Facebook page, and YouTube, and he posts a lot of his hikes, a lot of his reviews of the hikes, so you'll enjoy that, okay? So now he's gonna stay around and capture a couple of flowers and enjoy this beautiful garden right here, okay? So please do, when you do come over here, enjoy it the same way he's gonna do it, okay? So, Raphael out.
See you next time.
Awesome, look at this beard, people, look at this. Ain't that awesome? That's epic. All right, deuces, we're out.